India Today has accessed details of Ria's brother's grilling by the CBI. Shawik was questioned for over 11 hours yesterday, was released late last night by the CBI. Shawik was apparently questioned about his sister's relations with Sushant, their lifestyle, the infamous Europe vacation. Did his sister tell the family about Sushant slipping into depression, etc., etc. The couple's stay in a resort in Mumbai also came up during questioning. How many times he visited them? Did his sister tell them, that is the family, about Sushant being admitted to the Hinduja hospital? His statement is currently being examined by the CBI. Saurabh, detail for us this. You know, yesterday, Shawik Chakravarti, the brother of Ria, was questioned for more than 11 hours. Today is the second consecutive day that he's been questioned by the CBI. Take us through the line of questioning.
Shiv, yesterday he was questioned for over 11 to 12 hours. He was brought to the CBI office early morning at around 10 a.m. and he left the CBI office at around 11:30, 12. The most important part is, like Ria had mentioned in our interview as well to the exclusive to India Today, saying that Shawik too was very close to Sushant Singh Rajput. So from the time the Chakrabarti family entered in the life of Sushant Singh Rajput, each and every details will be taken. Now, very importantly, Shiv, it was said that Sushant slipped into depression after the Europe tour. Now, in this particular Europe tour, when this happened in Switzerland at a Gothic hotel, Shawik Chakravarti was also present over there. So he knows a lot of details. Shawik was the one who was also staying at Sushant Singh Rajput's residence. So he knows a lot more details. So all those questions will be asked to him. He will be also asked that what kind of medication was Ria Chakravarti giving to Sushant. So lot many questions are lined up for Shawik Chakravarti, and even today, Shiv, he's been questioned separately. All the people right now, over 7 to 8 people are being questioned today by the separate teams. All are being questioned separately. No one is being questioned together. So there are a lot more questions the CBI needs answer of.
Okay.
So it is going to take a long time, and Shawik will definitely be called again when they all want to take the statements together.
Vidya, this looks like, a marathon grilling session for Shawik. Is that how it's likely to turn out for Ria as well? Shawik was questioned for 11 hours yesterday. Ria went in this morning, not out just yet. Is it also likely to be a long session?
Well, Shiv, it certainly will be. Remember the fact that it's not just one bit of the angle of drugs. There is also a financial angle, because remember, there are 2 other companies on which Shawik himself along with Ria are part of, we're part of Sushant Singh Rajput's companies. So apart from that, remember this particular location will not just be visited today, but many more days. If they do not answer, there is also a likelihood of arrest. Even though we know that, on social media, arrest Ria is trending, but that certainly does not mean that CBI would arrest her immediately. They will take their time, they will question, give her the time to answer it. In case she does not cooperate, then she might get arrested. But at this point, questioning her is very important for the CBI to understand what really is her part of the story. That statement recording has to be done, and only then can the procedure really go ahead. But it certainly does not seem like either today or tomorrow the questioning will end anytime soon.
Thanks very much, Vidya and Saurabh, for joining us on that.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.